I tried the viral Winds Cloud Sole Restore.
And I had my soles looking from this to this.
Grabe oh. In today's video, papantayin natin tong yellow na to sa white na to. Items we will be needing is of course the Sole Restore.
Grabe, almost 30k sold na to.
A toothbrush, luckily for us, kasama na siya if you buy the Sole Restore. And cling wrap. So madali lang siya gawin is just put the sole sauce here and then gamitin nyo yung toothbrush para pumantay siya.
Guys, 40 years old na to sneaker na to. So tignan natin kung maaayos pa siya.
Okay, so napantay ko na siya as you can see there. Lagyan rin natin tong ilalim since ito yellow din, no? See here, mas maputi na siya since nalagyan ko na. So nalagyan na natin same thing, toothbrush. Ano na dito sa Nike part? You can see, puti na yan. Now, you get your cling wrap. Then, ilagay nyo lang siya sa shoe like that.
Then put it under the sun for 30 minutes to an hour. Lagay nyo dun sa hindi siya mananakaw ah. It's been an hour, so tanggalin na natin and i-rinse off natin with water.
After that, just wipe it down and let it dry. And look, it's white.
Yung kagandahan dito, you can repeat these steps on and on until makuha nyo yung kulay nyo. Comparing it to the other shoe, guys, 1985 pa tong sneaker na to. So kung nababalik yung kulay nito, paano pa sa iba?
If you still don't believe me, try it out for yourself. This will be linked in my yellow basket down below. Peace. Thank you so much for watching.